Hi guys! Okay, this is pretty unusual. I haven't handled a professional camera in my life ever. Like, I haven't touched it at all. But today I'm gonna do my room tour, give you a tour of my room with a Canon camera. Let me try how it goes, and I hope I learn something out of this experience about this camera. Let me, zoom out a bit. Yeah, okay, that was a little jerky. Let's see how it goes. I'm excited, guys.
This is how my room looks when I enter. It has white walls and white furniture with contrasting colors and subjects. That's my reading table near the window, and you can see some plants in the corner, some ickets about the plants from IKEA, and some string lights with photos about the bed. Alright, let's start from here. So the first icket, the grey one, has some books. The yellow one above it has a scented candle, few wine bottles, and a glass for myself. This cute little globe here to pin all the places and countries I have been to. And that's an ostrich egg I received as a gift when I've been to Botswana. That couple is also from South Africa. And these lights called Mounima from IKEA. That's my mom and dad in the Instax picture. These are my best friends and my sister, Pretty Smile. Few more photos. That's a small money plant there. Some more plants. This is adenium, and that's the snake plant beside it. No idea what the third one is called. This is how it looks from my cupboard side. Now let's go to my handbags. I hang all my handbags to this unit called ALGOT from IKEA. As you can see, there's cloth bags, leather bags, some slings, some scarves, and a couple of hangers to hang my used clothes for a day or two. Going to the chest of drawers beneath my handbags, I'm flaunting my perfumes here, my go-to cosmetics, and my makeup brushes. Beside them are my hair care and skincare products. Sadly, my most favorite cup broke recently, so I'm utilizing it to accommodate all my loose hairpins, hairbands, clips. This box here has all my night skincare, night regime, my eye mask, and a couple of watches down there. The first drawer here consists of my hair accessories in one compartment, more makeup, and some more makeup. By the way, this is called CULLEN. Those are my makeup remover tissues from Neutrogena. The second compartment has cotton, Q-tips, straightener, curler, some extra makeup pouches. There's a hand mirror and an ever-ready travel kit. It's always packed. These open shelves are called Svenschalt, and this board is called SCADIS. It's my vision board, but I've removed a lot of stuff for the video purpose today. A lot of sorted stationery stuff in there, and my weekly calendar. Can you see those masks I hung there? The grey bag there is literally my paper dump yard, and that yellow one carries all my glue sticks, glues, Fevikwicks, blah blah blah. That's my cute little AirPod case. It's a gift. Even this pouch, it contains all the essentials like my card reader, my connector to the laptop, and some stationery, plasters, markers, sticky notes. This rose wine bottle here serves as my water bottle right now, and there goes my charging station. Quite a little mood enhancer about all the books I'm reading right now. And the most comfortable bed I have had till now. It's called MALM. Got this cute plant on the other side of the bed. Now let's go open my wardrobe. That's the first side of my wardrobe, and that black pretty dress is my first birthday dress. I still have it. Everything I own in white are kept at the same place. Let it be a hoodie, a formal shirt, a casual one, or a dress. Everything at one place. And there are my favorite blazers and jackets behind. All my long dresses are kept on the other side, color coordinated, boho theme, florals, and party going dresses. And these are my home clothes rolled and kept. And some more dresses. This is my jewelry tray, jewelry section, and some shades. Welcome to my footwear section. I actually decluttered a lot of them recently. And there's some more footwear, bed sheets, caps and hats and stuff. And a leather protector spray. Oh, I didn't know I had that. The top section goes for my ethnic wear. All the belts I own go here. Now let's see what I got on the other side of the wardrobe. So I got all the Indian wear in one rack, leggings, normal kurtis and some party wear kurtis. A whole rack dedicated to my denims and some formal wear, crop tops, bodysuits and some belts. Now if you're wondering what this laundry bag is for, it's for my gym clothes and some winter clothes. Next, the third rack. This is a special one because all these clothes doesn't fit me right now, so I'm waiting to lose some pounds and wear all of these. There are some extra hangers lying there in the cloth bag, some paper bags of my favorite brands. I preserve them. On the top are all my sarees. This is my washroom cabinet mirror. It is pretty spacious and I have another set of skincare and makeup removers, shampoos, everything lying in here. Also got a diffuser with some nice fragrances here. Alright, thank you so much for watching guys. That's it. That's the end of my IKEA room tour. Stay home, stay safe and take care of yourselves.